Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about a start menu replacement for Windows 11 called Start Menu X. Then again, you could probably use it for Windows 10 as well. So if you're not a fan of the default Windows 11 start menu, you could use this app. So there is a free version and a pro version. So the free version has most of the features of the pro version, except for one-click launch and tabs, and there's actually a 30-day trial of the Pro version when you install it if you want to try that. Alright, so once you install it, it'll change your start button here as well as your start menu, and if you have your start button in the middle, you could right-click, go to taskbar settings, taskbar behaviors, and then change it to left, because when you open it, it kind of spreads out the start menu off to the right here, so you might need some more room. Alright, so you have some options here to delete items from menu, add items to the menu, run item from the pop-up menu, like so. Then you have the run box itself, desktop, which will show you your drives and default folders. Then you have this PC. If you want to go right to specific folders, you could do that. Control panel items, easy access for those. Then it shows your other folders here, your pictures, videos, documents, and so on. And then you could just kind of expand on those as you open them. Then you have your programs, and of course you can expand on those as well. Alright, down at the bottom here we have a lock option here, power options with switching user, log off, hibernate, sleep, restart, and so on. And then you have this stopwatch here too, so if let's say you want to shut down, you could click on that and decide when you want it to shut down in minutes, hours, put an exact time or set a date, force all programs to close, and so on. So that's a nice feature. And then we have plenty of options too. So by default, you press the Windows key to get to the start menu like that. But you could also hold down Shift and press the Windows key to open the default start menu, so that's still an option as well. Alright, then we have personalization settings, so if you want to change the style here. So there's all kinds of weird ones that you probably won't like, even Christmas, like so. So you could just kind of change those as needed. Adjust the column width, reset your icon cache, change the scale. So if it's too big for you, you could try that. Let's go up to 12 right there, like so. I'm recording at a low resolution, so it might look a little funky here. So let's go back to the default here. Alright, then we have start button options here. So if you don't like the one that it comes with, you could go for a more classic Windows start button or even one of these. You could even choose your own images. And then you could even go online and check for some custom ones there. Alright, then we have controls. So if you want to add some of these options to the menu, you could do that. So let's try switch user. So right now, to switch user, you have to go to power options. Every time we close, we got to go back to the options here. So now we have the switch user right there at the bottom for quick access. All right, then we have some shortcuts here. If you want to use some shortcut keys to open certain items, you could do that. So you could change the style as well. So if you don't like the big one like this, you want to go for something like Windows 10, you could do that. Then we have some advanced options here. So if you don't want to see the notification area icon, you could do that, because by default it puts one down here. You could right click on it, exit, check for updates, see your options, show the menu. So let's say you don't want to use it, you could go like this. And now you're back to your default menu here. But then again, you'll have to go start it up again to have it run. Now we have our menu there. Then it comes with this group manager here. And you can see you only get 5 groups in the free version. So if you want to create new groups for your menu, graphics, office groups, so suggested groups, internet groups, you could do so. Edit the group like that. All right, so as you can see, it's kind of a cool replacement for the Windows 11 Start menu. And I like that it's easy just to turn it off if you don't want to use it, just by killing it down by the system tray, or using the Shift key and the Windows key to go back to the regular Windows 11 Start menu. I haven't tried this in Windows 10, but I'm assuming it will work the same way. So if you're running Windows 10, you should be able to use this. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you could download Start Menu X, and then you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.